Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I am back with another tutorial video of how to turn off standby mode on your iPhone. So to get started, open up your settings on your mobile phone, and when you scroll all the way down, you can see home screen and app library. Just below that, you can see the standby option. Tap on it, and here our standby mode is enabled on my device. So in order to disable it, you can just go ahead and tap on that green button, and once you tap on it, it will be automatically disabled. Once it's done, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.